So I reached home. Hi guys and welcome to the channel. So basically I'm traveling now in this pandemic. I have explained why I will be going to my home during this time on my previous video. So if you have not yet watched it, I'll just click the I over here and you can go and watch it out. First of all, let you keep in some please, then I'll explain what is happening. So guys, I don't know where to start from. So today is 18th of August. So my flight is in tomorrow, early morning tomorrow. It's around I think 6:15ish. Yeah, I think 6:15ish. My flight is, but I will be leaving around. Right now it's 9:10 and I think approximately I'll be leaving by 10 p.m. because I don't want to travel alone in the road, especially in this period of time, because the roads will be totally empty and I don't want to take a risk while traveling, because if I am traveling early, like 4 hours early, that means I have to travel by the midnight. So yeah, I'll be leaving the home by 10, I guess. Yeah, I'll be leaving by 10 and I think it will take me around 1.5 to 2 hours to reach airport. And yeah, I know there are a lot of processes going on the airport, like in the airport, regarding taking all the precautions. I have got multiple mails from Indigo that you have to do that, you have to do this. So it's actually better to reach the airport before 4 hours of your like onboarding time. But yeah, as my flight is in the early morning, so I'll be leaving as soon as possible right now. So I have prepared a lot. Still, I am having a lot of anxieties. From morning, I was having an anxious feeling about this travel, because it's not a normal time to travel. But yeah, I have to go to home now. And yes, guys, I'm having a lot of anxieties from morning. I hope everything will be good enough after reaching tomorrow to my home. I'm really excited to reach, but again, now I'm really scared of traveling. Really scared, guys. Really. So, anyways, just wanted to mention. Definitely, I'm not gonna vlog the full process, but after reaching home, definitely I'm gonna share my experience of this travel. So basically, I'm traveling to Assam from Bangalore. So I'll be, because I know Assam is conducting tests to each and every passengers after reaching. So definitely I'm gonna tell you what are the process that I have gone through. And right now I just wanted to mention what I have like prepared for. So basically, I know I have purchased a PPE kit because I have pre-booked my seat when I was like booking for the flight. So I pre-booked a window seat. So that's the reason I have, because I can take it from the airport definitely, but I have seen the airport PPE kit. It don't like cover full of your body. So I just wanted to be safe. So I have purchased a PPE kit from Amazon. That definitely I'm gonna link it in this description. The link from where I have purchased it. Then also the second one that I have got, definitely you have to wear the gloves. That's compulsory to wear the gloves. I have a tons of gloves. Basically, I have purchased the dozen box of the gloves that I'm not gonna carry the full box, but definitely I'm gonna carry, because every 2 to 3 hours I'm gonna change my gloves. I will be taking a 2 spare face masks. I'm not wearing the medical one. Sorry, it just I'm not gonna wear the medical gloves. I will be having my thick cloth mask. I feel safe in it. So yeah, and also definitely I'm gonna take N95 masks that I have with me. I've got one N95 mask, and I'll be carrying it with me. And yeah, I think that's all. Definitely, I'll be carrying my spray sanitizer, my liquid sanitizer. So, guys, I have got these sanitizing wet wipes. Wherever I'll be sitting, I just wanted to wipe out, and I'm just on a seat. I've got my spray sanitizer, the liquid one. It's not for Sephora. It's basically, I have the big Himalaya sanitizer. So I just refill this bottle, and yeah, I think I am prepared enough to travel right now. But again, I'm really scared of traveling. I'm scared. So I reached home. Yes, today is 20th of August. I reached yesterday, that is 19th of August, around late afternoon, and I just freshened up, had my lunch, and I was so tired that actually for the rest of the day I just slept off. I just wanted to mention one thing. Where is my home? Like my house, my parents' house. It's in the very busiest place of the city, so you are going to hear a lot of traffic and a lot of noises. I will try to cancel it out, but maybe there will be some noises here and there around. Let's just begin. So, as I mentioned, I'm gonna mention all of the points or the protocols that I have to go through while I was traveling from Bangalore to Guwahati and from Guwahati to the place where I stay. And as I mentioned, it will be like 4 hours of the travel if I'm coming from Guwahati. It takes around 4 hours of the travel to reach my hometown. So yes, let's just start. So I was really afraid, as I mentioned, to travel at this period of time. So when I reached Campagore International Airport, believe me guys, my fear started to fade away slowly. Bangalore Airport has taken every precaution they can take to maintain the social distancing or like eliminate the human interaction or reduce the human interaction. So looking into Bangalore Airport, it was so empty and they have maintained the social distancing so promptly that hats off to them. So yeah, everything they have made digitalized over there. So let's just start with your onboarding. So it has made compulsory that you have to do your web check-in. So web check-in is made compulsory. You have to do it 48 hours to 60 minutes prior to your onboarding. So it's really, you have to do it basically. There is no option. So as soon as you have done the web check-in, you'll get your onboarding pass. It will be generated and it will be mailed to you. The PDF of that onboarding pass will be mailed to you by the respective airlines, and you can print it out, but it's good to go in the digitalized form also, because I have not printed out. They have just scanned my barcode from my phone and it was good to go. So yeah, the next step, as soon as you have done your web check-in, a notification will come to your phone that you have to check in your baggage and generate the baggage tag. That is not compulsory to do it online. You can go into the in the airport and you can do it out. So I have done that. So as soon as I went to the airport, they have that screen, like computer screen in the airport. Just go there, scan your barcode, and yeah, your baggage tag will get generated and it will just print it out. It will automatically print out and just take it to the counter, give it the baggage tag to the person that will be sitting over there in the counter. They will stick it on your luggage for the check-in luggage and you're good to go. So regarding the weight, so I don't know about the other airlines, but I have traveled via Indigo. I always prefer Indigo because I just love the spacing they have got over there. I just love Indigo. So Indigo has made increase the check-in baggage weight from 15 kg to 20 kg, and again your cabin baggage, your hand luggage that you carry, it will be 7 kg as it was earlier. But again, you just allowed to carry one check-in baggage and one cabin baggage. So if you are checking more than one, I think you have to claim something and you have to pay more for that. You just have to have a word with your respective airline that you'll be traveling, and they will help you out in every possible details. Just wanted to mention one thing over here. I have seen in Bangalore airport, they have maintained the social distancing so I would say cleanly and so smoothly, guys. I have never seen it in the Guwahati airport. Don't get me wrong, but I think it may be the space that Bangalore airport has got according to the Guwahati airport. Bangalore airport has maintained every possible way to maintain I was saying, eradicate the social interaction between two strangers and maintain the social distancing. Whereas in whereas in Guwahati airport I have not seen that. There was hardly social distancing maintained. Like, it was so busy, so crowded in the Guwahati airport. After I reached Guwahati, a sudden panic wind has just blown in front of me with lot of anxious feeling, I would say. It was so busy, there was hardly any social distancing maintained. Yeah, whereas Bangalore has perfectly maintained that. I would definitely say they've taken every possible care they can take in Bangalore. Anyways, fast forward. So yeah, after you check in your baggage, after you check in your luggage, you will go for the screening. So in the screening, when you will be going, oh yeah, I forgot to mention, um, your temperature will be measured, and then they will check your boarding pass, that is good for the digital one also, and your ID. They will just scan it from the far behind and maintaining the social distancing, then you are allowed to go inside. So yeah, while you'll be screening, they will check again your the boarding pass. They will scan it out, and then you are allowed to go inside for the cabin baggage scanning. So in that scanning, I have seen that earlier it was okay for them if you only take out your laptop for the screening from your bag, and they will ask you to put your mobiles inside the bag while it was scanning. But now they are doing a thorough baggage scanning, so you have to basically take out all your electronics that you have possibly got, like get inside your bag. You just have to get it everything out in a tray, and then only it will scan. Otherwise you have to go for a scan twice or thrice, which I had to do, because as earlier I have just only take out my laptop, but they have said me after the scan that please take out all your electronics. Just a heads up. So after I went there, I just changed myself into my PPE kit. It's totally up to you want to wear it or not. I had booked a window seat, but then also I just wanted to take one step further, and I wore my PPE kit. And before 1 hour prior to your onboarding, you will be provided with a health kit. So in the health kit, we have got a face shield, face mask, 2 sanitizer, and yeah, you just have to wear the face shield throughout the flight till you get out from the airport, your destination airport. You have to wear the face shield until that. So as soon as I reached Guwahati, so when we were just coming out, there was a person who asked us to discard our PPE kit in a biohazard dustbin that they have kept aside. They will guide you. They will say that there is the dustbin, just go and discard your PPE kit. So yeah, we have to discard our PPE kit. Again, don't throw away your face shield, because without your face shield they will not allow it outside the airport. You have to wear your face shield throughout this journey until you go outside to the gate of the airport. Yes. So yeah, after when we were coming out of the airport, there were a lot of authorities outside who were just asking us like who will be staying in Guwahati and who will be traveling further to other district. So as I mentioned, I stay in a different district in Assam, not in Guwahati. So they have given me 2 forms. Basically, one is a declaration form, and other one is just a basic information that you have to provide. So there are 2 forms. You just have to mention your name, where you'll be going, your house address, where you'll be quarantining, your ID proof, and all these details just you have to give, and your screening district, district screening center, you have to mention the name. That's all you have to provide in that form, and after filling it out, they will check it once, and you'll be proceeding outside to another tables. There are 8 tables with some government authorities sitting over there. Basically, you have to take a queue over there, maintaining the social distancing, which was again hardly maintained. But you just have to go through that line, and they will just check and take your details. They will scan your ID proof. You have to provide everything, and they will give you a receipt. The receipt is basically in that form. You just store it. Like, you just have to tear it up, and then they will ask you to proceed to your screening, like district screening center. So yeah, I have my uncle has came to pick up me with the private car. So I just came. Again, they will take, you'll be traveling via private car or the government authorized bus. So again, I have taken my private car, and I came to my district. First, I have to go and report in the screening center. So after I report in the screening center, they have taken my flight details, they have taken where I'll be quarantining or where is my home, my name, my father's name, and the time that I have reached, and again your name and everything. That's all. Then they have asked me if I have got any symptoms or not. So they will just take your temperature, and you will be proceeded to the desk where your samples are being collected. So in that queue, they will be collecting your samples. It was so hard when they poke in your nose. It's really hard. It's actually painful when they poke the stick inside your nose. It's actually painful. So they will be collecting 4 samples, 2 from your nostrils and 2 of your saliva samples. So they will be doing 2 tests. One is antigen test, which was done in front of me only in the antigen kit, and it gives you result within 10 to 15 minutes. You just have to wait for 10 to 15 minutes, and they will give you the result. And the RT-PCR, they will be sending it to the, I think, main center that is in Guwahati, and it will be taking 3 to 4 days to get your result. I hope so. So it's just my second day. I'm just waiting for the results. Yeah. And they will give you the timeline of your quarantine, and they will just ask you where you'll be quarantining, your home, or you'll be just taking hotel, or you will just wanted to do the institutional quarantine. So yeah, I have picked for my home quarantine. So now I am at my home. So again, they will follow up, and I have again got a call, and they were just asking me where I'm quarantining. Where is my home. They have just asked my address and everything for their reference that you have to provide. So these are the steps that you have to follow when you're traveling to Assam. I think from any city, if you're traveling, this is actually what you have to follow when you'll be coming to Assam and to any district that you'll be traveling. Testing is compulsory for those who are traveling from another states in Assam. Just wanted to give you one more heads up over here. So as soon as you've done your web check-in, after the notification of your baggage, there will be another one notification where they will provide a link. So they will ask you to go to the link and check your state-wise rules and all the protocols that you have to follow after reaching. So Assam, as I mentioned, it was mentioned whatever I have mentioned. So yeah, I hope that today's video was somehow helpful to those who are planning to travel to Assam and to Guwahati, and Guwahati to some other district, because I have not found any videos who were traveling to a different district from Guwahati. So yes, I hope that this was somehow helpful, and it will be helpful for you if you are planning to travel. So guys, if you have loved this video, show the love by clicking the thumbs up button, and don't forget to support this channel by subscribing to this channel. It's free, just click that subscribe button. Till then, you all stay beautiful, stay safe. Bye.